Smile. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say, look what I have. Maybe I should take the precious lollipop for a second. Okay. What do you see?
It's dress.
A dress? Or a shirt?
Shirt black.
It's a black shirt.
And it's a black shirt. And a puppy.
A puppy.
He's so cute.
It is so cute. What else do you see?
A green dress.
A green dress.
A green shirt.
Okay, a green shirt.
Purple shirt.
What's on that purple shirt? What is that?
Purple blue butterfly. A violet dress.
A violet shirt.
A violet shirt. Violet shirt. And blue shirt.
A blue skirt.
Blue skirt.
Okay.
A red shirt. A brown shirt. And it's pink shirt. Pink pants.
Skirt.
Pants skirt.
Okay.
And it's skirt yellow
Or is it brown?
or sea brown.
Pretty.
A blue shirt.
Very good. Anything else?
That's coats. A purple first coat. Gabby first coat.
Let's see. Wow. Is there anything else? There's one more thing. Now, those are a pair of pants.
Parents' pants.
Can you say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa?